first game of the PS3. I'm very aware of what this means. Oh. Guess this is new PS3, okay. Other than that, how's it going, everybody? It's Alex here on Ultimate Slow Eagle here. Well, new Let's Play. The first new Let's Play of 2026. It is Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction, or just Ratchet and Clank Tools of Destruction, as I like to call it. Released in 2007 for the PlayStation 3. Marking the first of the Future series. This is probably one of my favorite games of the whole entire series. I'd say best graphics, best enemies. I'd say the Future series has the best plot of the whole entire series. Ripped Apart, I don't know about because I haven't played it yet, even though I got it for Christmas. And I know what y'all thinking. Alex, you didn't finish Size Matters, all this other stuff. I know, and I explained why, and I believe one of my Hot Pursuit 2 videos or one of my Flat Out 2 videos. This is taking a while, isn't it? Oh, it's gotta do the setup thing. Yeah, gotta do this. My dog just coming outside. Okay, cool. Press start. Alright. Very pretty thing. Let's see here. Turn all that shit up. And for the first one besides Deadlock to have speech volume. A speech thing right to enter the level. Throw all of that. Want to keep that on. Subtitles on. Cool. Want to keep the audio surround sound. And the rest is probably going to be in the main game. My old PS3 had a bunch of these saves and in Crack in Time saves that I never bothered to get done. Anyways, you start game. I haven't played this game in a long ass time, so I haven't done this in a long ass time. Dogs eating pain gas. Start in Kurgan this time instead of Velden. Oh wait, not Velden. Okay.
Fuel lines, check. Horizontal stabilizers, check. Ion thrusters.
Looks like we had a tailwind. If we time it right, we can ride the slipstream of the grav train past the Seagrid traffic. Launch the mag grappler onto that pedway overpass and slingshot right up to
Ratchet.
The thrusters are fine, Clank. See? Don't worry, it's probably just unused
I
time.
don't think that ship worked. Of course, Captain Court. Also, if you did notice, his voice actor passed away last month. Very sad.
Planetary Defense Center, here You alright?
Watch out. Where are you going?
It's a short Trust me!
Ratchet, look out.
See? What did I...
Cat. That's true. I think this is the last time we see Gatchatron for right now until the reboot of the first game.
Looks like we're going on foot. At least I can try out my new nav unit.
So we get to the main game. Okay. First, let me do something. Okay. Oh, that's good. Yes, want that. Hang on. Okay. Need to have that backwards. Inverted. Control motion sensors. Oh yes, this is also a new thing in this game. On PS3, the controller, the one I'm using right now, 6-axis where you can just move it left, right, up, down, back and forth, all that. I'm going to turn that off because it gets very... It's very, very spongy, from my personal experience. Like, sometimes it would never work the way I would want, so I'm not going to bother with all that. All the other shit. And oh yes, skill points. There's a lot of these, including a very peculiar one with the Groovatron, which I'll get to when I get to it. Alright, and skins you can unlock with the gold bolts, of course, which I don't have any yet. Pretty much what the Help Desk lady was about to say was, "Welcome back, customer 91802. Gatron Help Desk will be happy to assist you." Pretty much the same lady that did up your arsenal. We got weapons. Destroy shit. These ugly motherfuckers here. Emperor. Oh, you just do it with the left stick, okay. And I keep forgetting for some reason I don't have the box breaker. I'm just so used to this first several games. This here is our combustor. It is a pretty good weapon, I'd say. An average starting weapon. And just kill these guys and just squish them. Sorry, robo dudes. I gotta get bolts, because a lot of stuff in this game is pretty damn expensive, so I want to be prepared ahead of time. And I'd say this probably has the best music in the series. The Go Regard can never be beaten or topped with this game. See if I can turn it up. It's not really loud at all, and I have it all the way up. Used to all these controls again. It's definitely taking a little longer than I expected. Oh, and these pads here, they'll just launch you to the next part of the level. Green ones, and there's these pink ones. Those blew up that bridge.
You can access the quick select menu by holding down the action button. Use the left stick to select your weapon.
So you just hold triangle and left stick, which has been the obvious case since the first game. And all these crates, because, motherfucker, you aiming at my galaxy. And also, Clank, we got the helipack, the thruster pack. This is the last game with the thruster pack. It gets until the reboot as well, because it's not in a cracking time. I think Nefarious might have taken it off him or something. And the Hydra pack. The Hydra pack is really interesting in this game, because let me show you what I mean. The Hydra pack has thrusters, finally. It's pretty cool. That's actually pretty sick. But for right now, I'm going to switch to the thruster pack, because that's how I roll with these games. It actually looks really good in this game. Man, this is hella freaky.
You can access the quick select menu by holding down the action button. Use the left stick to select your weapon.
Just destroying shit. Going real. Bella, get in the room.
Jump on the grind rail to use your grind boots.
Yep, I'm on it. Just give me a second, please. Okay. Holy shit. What have the people in Metropolis ever done to y'all just to destroy their shit? That's not fair.
You can access the quick select menu by holding down the action button. Use the left stick
Oh,
to select
shit.
your weapon.
No quick scoping this time around. I don't think there's a sniper rifle in this game. Some of these enemies I'll see later on with the Groovitron skill point. You have to do the Groovitron with every single enemy in this game. And I'm telling you right now, some of them are pretty damn hard to reach with the Groovitron.
You can access the quick select menu by holding down the action button. Use the left stick
Yes,
to
I
select
know.
your weapon.
Just taking you from behind. Don't mind me. It's been... does sound hella rusty. Oh, okay. So, I think I'd just be fine with all the normal stuff, okay. Still the same Mikey Kelly voice clips from the original trilogy. Oh, but once they'll just launch you even further up in the air. Oh shit. Lasers. Die, bitch. Back the fuck up. And those ammo crates will just keep spawning. Not like in the first two. When it's smashed, it's done. gotta watch out.
Ratchet, the sky bridge is collapsing.
Whatever shall I do? Now took upgrade, and we just upgraded the first weapon.
Your weapon has upgraded. Weapons upgrade automatically as they are used. This increases their damage and adds new modifications.
That's cool. And later on, you'll see what I mean with modifications. Use my grenade. Oh shit! There are so many of these little guys. It's crazy. Bitches. Don't mind me, I'm just getting bolts. Oh, you can't blow that up? Okay. Alright, next grind rail. Trains. Fucking get fucked. Oh, I can't. Can I? Oh, I need to use my weapon. That's bullshit. Oh, fuck it. Oh, fuck it. I'll probably get one.
Heading towards the planet's central defense station.
Another one of them purple ones.
Ratchet, the planetary defense center is 200 cubits below us. How do you propose we get down?
I don't know. I'm kind of winging it right now.
Oh, shit. The bridge, it's blowing up. They're never gonna catch me. Left to stick steer through traffic. Oh my god. Look out! Look out! Oh, Jesus.
Looks pretty quiet. Where's Quark?
Greetings, citizen. I'm away from my post at the Planetary Defense Center. Please enter the number that best describes your emergency. If you are being attacked by radioactive amoeboids, please press 1. If you've been ingested by a mutant space eel, please press 2. If your city is being attacked by a massive deadly space armada...
Three! Smash, press forward, that's not happening.
I believe you may be their intended target.
You think?
Run! Oh shit! Shit! Oh!
My sensors are picking up structural damage to the grind rail.
You think? I'm blowing up the track.
Ratchet, that warship is gaining on us.
Give me if you can. Holy shit. Oh, it lagged.
Behold, the last Lombax in the universe.
Another damn Napoleon complex motherfucker.
And you are?
Emperor Percival Tachyon, Crown Prince of the Cragmites, conqueror of space and time, and, pending the obliteration of a few insubordinate species, ruler of the universe.
Your name's Percival?
Emperor! See the crown, see the scepter, the giant walking throne and legion of loyal robotic commandos. Emperor!
I don't give a damn what you are.
Not a treacherous furball like you could. What's this? Such a primitive robot companion. And your kind used to be such renowned engineers.
Oh, I'd be careful if I were you. He's got posomorphic blaster fingers on each fingertip.
My gripe is not with the people of this archaic planet, but with you. Surrender your death bot. And simply allow us to kill you. No one else need be harmed.
Fair enough. Here you go!
Autopilot engaged.
Whoa! Hang on, Clank!
Hyperspace boosters online. Engaging cryosleep.
Cryosleep? Nah. There's no way I'm gonna...
It is fortunate cryosleep does not work on robots.
Okay, that was funny. Oh, Lord. Whoa, it's spacey. Well, we're getting a very interesting storyline here.
Clank! Clank! Are you okay? You got knocked out there for a minute.
I'm fine. Where are we?
Beats me. Ship must have run out of fuel while on autopilot.
Damn.
Come on. We need to find another ship and get back to Kerwan.
I'm gonna end it here, y'all. That'll be it for today's video. The next time on, we're gonna start off our journey in this disgusting ass planet, Planet Cabalia. Till then, have a great one, guys, and I'll see you next time. Take care.